Hey everybody, Ricky Timms here, and I wanted to share with you a little bit of history on how Quilt Luminarium came to be. Back in the day, when I would travel around to different places, I would teach 20 to 25 students, and of course, they may have booked me 2 years in advance. And then I learned that there were 40 to 50 people on a waiting list, and I felt bad for them because even though I was booked, they didn't get any class at all. Also, I would go completely across the country. I would spend 6 hours in a class, but because everybody was sewing the project, I might actually teach 45 minutes to an hour because the information was shared, but then everybody had to do the sewing part of the class. So I started thinking, how can I go about teaching more information and reach more people? And if I took the sewing machines out of the class, then there was room for more chairs. And if we weren't sewing, I could teach more information in 6 hours than I could if I was doing a sewing class. So that began the formula for me to start doing my Super Quilt seminars, which now have spun into Quilt Luminarium, and now I'm offering those virtually. So there is over 11 hours of lecture. This is learning, teaching, growing, techniques, method. There is so much in Quilt Luminarium, and it's not just for beginners or for intermediates or for advanced. It's not for the art quilter. It's not for just the traditional quilter. It's not for modern quilters. It's for all quilters. And I tell you, it's a money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. If I do not give you what you think would be worthwhile, then all you have to do is ask for your money back, and I will give you a full refund. So join me online for Quilt Luminarium. There's some live interaction that goes on, but primarily you watch at your own pace during those days that we are doing it. So you don't have to tune in at any particular time. Just log on, watch the episodes, and then join me for the live events so that you can ask questions. It's a lot of fun. I think that you're going to find it really worthwhile. It may be one of the best gifts you've ever given to yourself as a quilter.